turn on YouTube Lite. So this is what we'll be talking about in this video, guys. So I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to any smart home devices, not just the HomeKit devices. You can connect any of your smart home devices. So I'll show you a demo here. You can see I clicked on the turn on lamp. The lamp turned on. Turn off lamp. The lamp turned off. So there is no direct integration between Apple HomeKit and these devices here. So in this video, I'll be showing you a method wherein you can connect all these devices, smart home devices, to your Apple Shortcuts app, so that you can use Siri to control these devices. So I have a different phone here that I can show you the process from scratch. Okay, so to get started, you'll have to download the Smart Life app, that is this app. Then you'll need If This Then That app to download this as well. So the app is downloaded now. So I'll open the app. So basically, you have to sign up to the app. So we have the add device button here. You have to click on that, and you can see you have a lot of options. So the easiest method will be to let the app discover by itself. So you can just leave it like this, and you can put your smart device into pairing mode. So to do that, you have to turn it on and off like 3 times. So I'll do that now. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So when you do that, it'll go into pairing mode. You can see it's blinking now. So now if you see here, you can see it is showing a device. You can add it here. So I'll just click on. Now it'll ask for your Wi-Fi name and password. I had to give the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi name and password here. Okay, so I've given my password. So now you can see it's being added, and the light came to a stop. So that means it's getting paired to my device here. You can just wait. Okay, so you can see it's added now, Smart Light. We'll just change the name to YouTube Lite, just for the purpose of this video. So once it's added, you can just turn off your light and turn it back on, wait for it to connect, and then you can see if you press this button, the light will turn on. If you press this, it will turn off. So once you have the device set up and you're able to control it from your smart device, what you can do is you can come to this home page, click on scene here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll create a new scene now. So let's click on this create scene. We'll select the first one, that is launch tap to run. So basically what you're doing here is you are creating a new scenario where if the button is clicked, we'll do some action. We'll just select that. We'll select our smart device, that is control single device. Select the YouTube Lite, on and on. So what you're doing now is you're setting up the scenario for when the button is clicked, we'll turn on the light. Save that and save. So it'll ask for a name. We'll set it as YouTube Lite on. Okay, so that's done. Now we need one more for YouTube Lite off. We'll do the same thing with single device, YouTube Lite, mode on off, and we'll select off. We'll select next and save. Here we'll give YouTube Lite off. So that's all you have to do in your Smart Life app. So the next app is the If This Then That app. So you can just create an account on If This Then That. You can use your Gmail or Facebook to sign in. We'll click on create here. You can see if this. We'll select a button widget here. You can see button press. We'll select that. Then that we'll select add. We'll search for Smart Life here. Yeah, Smart Life. You'll have to log in with your same username and password here. So you can click on activate scene here. So you can see it's asking to connect your Smart Life app. So you can click on connect. You'll have to sign in with your same username and password that you used previously in your Smart Life app. So once you are signed into your Smart Life account, that is the same account which you used to log in on Smart Life, it will show up like this. It will show the Smart Life account here, and you can select your scene here. So first we'll do the light on. So you can see your YouTube Light on scene is fetched here. So we'll click on done, create action. Okay. So now we can click on continue here and finish. Okay, so basically the If This Then That setup is also done. So the next thing you'll have to do is set it up in Shortcuts app. So once you're in the Shortcuts app, you can click on this plus button here to add a new shortcut. You can click on add action. You can come to apps, or you can just search here If Then That, IFTTT, and the one which we'll be using is trigger applet. Click on that, and in this you have to select the applet which you want to trigger. So in this case, activate YouTube Lite on is the applet that we have set up. So we'll select that and done. Okay, so we have the shortcut set up. We'll turn off this light now, and now I'll click on trigger applet. You can see the light turned on. So we did that directly from shortcuts. Now let's do one thing. We'll rename this. We'll call it turn on YouTube light. Done. Now we'll do the same thing for turning off the light. We'll create a new applet. Here we'll select button widget and button press. Here we'll go to smart live and we'll select activate scene. Here we'll select YouTube light off, because we have already done it for YouTube light on. We'll select YouTube light off, create action. Okay, so now that's also done. We are back in Shortcuts app. We'll just duplicate this one here, duplicate, and we'll edit it. We'll select the other one, YouTube light off, and we'll rename this one to turn off YouTube light. Okay, we have done that. Now I'll click on this. You can see that light turned off. So click on this. You can see the light turned on. Now you can do the same with Siri also. Turn off YouTube light. Okay, so you can see that light turned off. Turn on YouTube light. Okay, the light turned on. So you can do the same with all these devices. You can add these devices to your Smart Life app, and then you can set it up the same way, and you can basically operate it from your iPhone. There is one limitation when you use this method, that is for the if this then that app. There is a limit of 2 applets that you can create. So you can see if I want a third applet, it will show you have reached your applet limit. You'll have to upgrade. If you have multiple devices, you'll have to either pay them to do this, or you'll have to use another method, which is using webhook. Do let me know if you want to know that. I can make a separate video on that. So I was editing this video and I realized there's another feature that I can show you about. So these are NFC tags, so you can see. So you can even use NFC tags to turn on and off your lights. So you can go to automation here and new automation. You can select NFC here, NFC, and you can scan. You can just scan your NFC tag like that. Okay, we'll just call it as test, run immediately, so that it doesn't ask you. Okay, so now we can select your shortcut here. So one shortcut is set up. Once you do that setup, you can just tap your phone on this NFC tag like this, and it should trigger the shortcut that we created. And you can see the light just turned on. So you can use the NFC tag like this, and you can basically turn your smart devices on and off. So that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video.